Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to see who sent you NGL messages in 2024. So, let's dive into it. First, make sure that the NGL app is installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download and install it through the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the NGL app on your device. Your app's interface will look like this and you will be on the Play section. Tap on the Inbox section in the top bar. Here, you will see all the messages you have received from different people. Open the message, and you will see a button Who Sent This. Tap on the Who Sent This button, a pop-up will appear. Tap on the Unlock button on the pop-up screen. Here you will see the app will ask you for a certain amount of money. See who sent you this message. Next, tap on the Subscribe button and follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.